Did anyone catch the last night's game? The buzzer beater was awesome. It's mind-blowing.
Without a doubt, it was legendary.
We should definitely eat the court sometimes after classes.
Count me in a little friendly competition. It's just a blown out.
Sounds like a plan. Let's make it happen.
Now, but after we deserve it, we need to ensure they understand the consequences of their actions. Why are you doing this? It's not fair.
You're different. That's why we don't want you here.
Yeah, you're an outcast. Why don't you just disappear?
You're bringing us down. Can't you see that?
Stop chasing us. You're just an idiot. You're not worth our time. Stop trying to fit in.
I didn't mean to. I just want to belong.
Thanks for the invite, guys. Schools have been tough lately.
Absolutely. School's been a whirlwind lately.
Couldn't agree more. It's good to kick back with you all and catch up.
It's a blast. It reduces my stress.
We're a tight-knit crew. No matter what happens, we've got each other's back, right? Yo, who are you chatting with?
Nothing, it's just a friend.
Let me see that. Raven, what's with this move? I can't believe you pull something like this. It's just not cool.
Anthony, hear me out. This is not what it looks like. Let me explain.
Hey, what's going on here?
Stay out of this, you two. It's between me and him.
Bro, chill. Let's have a seat.
Yeah. Guys, are you still angry at each other? It's just cool off and talk about it.
After school, we'll talk this out later, Raven.
Guys, I need to use bathroom. Lyrics to happen.
Yo, Nikki, we're spreading. It's been gone for a while. I hope it's okay.
But you mentioned that Liz needed air. Did you see him? Let's find him. We'll sneak in our school and find him.
Alex, where are you?
Felix! Where are you? Guys, I found Felix. Come here.
His pulse is weak. We need to keep him conscious. We can't lose another one.
We're here for you, Felix. Hang in there.
Station number right now.
Sir, ano po lasa ng tamod nyo?